Hey guys, Ali here. Today I'm sharing a video with you guys that I filmed back in January. So this is just a updated little preview. It is how I organize my wide belts in my closet. I hope it inspires you guys and gives you a little something to do on the weekend. 2020 is all about getting organized. I have challenged myself to figure out how to store my white belts, and look what I did. It's just driving me crazy. So I got these little stackable guys at the Container Store, and I literally just took a picture of the belt, put it inside, and anyways, I'll fix that later. Anyways, they were hanging out down here in a big pile, and I had these sweaters that I actually do need to lay flat that I can't hang on this shelf, and it was just becoming a little bit of a mess. I actually think this is going to be lovely because I don't really wear belts that often, so it seems like a good way to use them. And then, of course, I'll show you this a little bit later, but these clear shelf dividers that help make my bags stand up are wonderful.